Hi guys, how are you? Okay, today I can explain you how you can able to duplicate a Shopify store very easily. Okay, so I just logged in to my two store. Okay, let me show you one by one. This is my one of the store. Okay, I want to duplicate this. Okay, now I can show you my second one. Here, this one. For now, this is totally empty. Okay, so first of all, we need to download the theme and upload to our new store. After that, we can duplicate the products, order and everything. So let's begin this. You need to log into your Shopify account and then you can go to theme. Okay. Here you will see your installed Shopify theme or templates. So you need to or this theme is active. Okay. So we need to click on this and we can see download theme file, and when we can download this will send to our email on which we logged in. Okay, so I mean this theme is sent onto your access email. Okay, so let's go to our email and check that we received the theme or not. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, you can see I just received a link. Now I can click on that one and this theme will be downloaded to my computer. You can see now they are giving me option to upload. Okay, it's up to you. You can just rename this or whatever you want. I can just make this a little bit simple. Okay, now just download, and this theme is downloaded. Now I can log into my other Shopify account and then I can upload this theme. Okay, you can see add new theme, upload, and here is this theme and I can upload file. So first thing is done, that is we need to download the install templates from the site or from the store where which we want to copy. Okay, and after that we need to upload this to our new account, new Shopify store where we want to live this. So I just did step. So just wait 1 minute until it can activate, then we can proceed. Okay, in this video I will completely guide you how you should able to duplicate the two store. Okay, so until this store can duplicate, we can go here and we can go to products. We also need to download the products and upload to our new store. Okay, so we on here on the top you can see export. So we can export all products and again it will send to our email. Okay, as you can see the export file is received. We can download this as well from our current store. Now we can go here to our new Shopify account. Okay, so just refresh this, and now you can see here is our new Shopify theme which we just downloaded from our current website. So first we need to publish this. We can publish this, and now our theme is published. Okay, and ready for work. So let's here this is our story URL. Let's refresh this and we can check if this is activated or not properly. And now you can see the complete layout and all of the thing are just updated. Now we need to update the like picture and the products. Log in again, go to your products. Okay, now we need to upload. So these are my old products, skip that one. We can like import and import. This is the CSV file I downloaded from my current. Okay, upload and preview, and you can see they are showing one products and detail. I can click on import. Okay, and we can refresh and check if our product is imported successfully or not. Okay, so this is our product restful. Let's search here if this is available or not. Okay, you can see our product is imported successfully. Okay, so now we need to do one thing. Now we need to update the banner. Okay, so I can go here again on my online store, and you can see this customize. I can click here so I can start customizing my Shopify theme. Okay, I just need to update the picture and just some of the of course if you want to change or update the text you can also do this. And as you can see, let's refresh. Now you can see this site has successfully imported some of the banner and some of the stuff, but we can update this manually, no worries. Okay, so we'll open the theme customizer. So first of all we can go here. Okay, and we can just change the first slider image. Okay, so here you can see no image is uploaded, so we can download this image from our store. Okay, and this is our store image. We can download this, and now we can upload this to our store. Okay, now you can see our banner is updated. Okay, in this way you can able to you need to update your complete store. Okay, I just show you an example so you can for we can check our store like what was that here. As you can see there is some just white background, but for now you can see it looks very bad. We need to upload or add some background. Okay, and we can see if there is any background or what we need to do. You can see we need to upload some background image here as well. Sorry, I just uploaded for this section. We need to go one step up for this. I think this one is, yeah, restful. Yes, this one is that. Okay, we need to update the image of this one. You can see it's just uploaded with different dimension. Okay, so now in this way you need to update your complete Shopify template. Okay, and now you can see I just updated this stuff. Now of course you need to update your footer. Okay, as well as we need to install some of the apps. uh, I can show you one app which is very important, mostly our client request. So let's go to download, scroll down, apps and sale channel. We need to set up an app for multi-language. Okay, we can go to Shopify App Store. We need to search G translate. Okay, we can just search multi-language. It will automatically show the best and free apps. So we can install one of them. Okay, you can see this app. It's very good. We can install this one to our Shopify account. Okay, we need to click on install, and after that we can proceed and do the required setting, and then this will be showing multi-language on our Shopify account. Okay, we need to install this, and now this app is installed successfully. Okay, as you can see it's showing, and we need to do some of the important setting. After that this app can works. Okay, as you can see, you have you have to select the language here from here, and after that you can press save.